I've gone for a walk around our kitchen and our laundry and found a number of things that are very easy to put together for an absolutely fabulous activity for your toddler. These are just the pouring jugs and scoops that I've been saving out of my laundry. Detergents. I have a bag of chickpeas. Children love to scoop and pour. Indirectly, they're learning about quantity and volume. For an older child, it can become a mathematical activity. How many scoops do you think would fill this container? 1, 2. That was 2 scoops. Maybe this will be 1.5 scoops. It might just be 1 and a little bit. If this is 1 and a little bit and this is 2, how many do we think would be in this one? I'm guessing 3. Shall we see? 1, 2, 3. With practice, with scooping and pouring, we can move into practical life activities. Here is a pouring activity for a toddler. We have plastic jugs and pom-poms. As the child becomes more competent, you can introduce ceramic jugs. They do not have to be the same size. It's called dig into your kitchen cupboards and see what you can find. When you spill, it becomes the control of error. I need to keep practicing so I don't spill. And as I said, the scooping will also lead to spooning. Spooning, again, is easily set up at home. 2 dishes. I could use the chickpeas. I could use the pom-poms. You have a variety of spoons in your kitchen drawers, but choose the one that fits in your child's hand the best. When I demonstrate to the child, I move from left to right. Not only does this exercise help the child develop their self-help skills, spooning, self-feeding, indirectly, it's designed to help the child concentrate. It helps their coordination of movement, and furthermore, it establishes the movement of left to right. And this is a pre-reading. Each of our Montessori activities start with a left to right movement in preparation for reading and writing. Traditionally, we also complete our activity so that it is exactly how it was found. So you will now see that I am spooning back into the bowl. The purpose for this is that when it is returned to the shelf, the child who comes along and chooses it again has it ready to go exactly as it was intended.